Ever had employees struggling in extreme heat during the summer? Here's how we fixed that for one warehouse in Texas. A warehouse in Texas was facing soaring summer temperatures, and employees were struggling to keep up. Productivity was dropping, morale was low, and the extreme heat was making conditions unbearable. Big Fan Man stepped in to assess the situation. With years of experience solving similar problems, we knew this wasn't just a matter of cooling, it was about creating a sustainable airflow solution that addressed the root cause. We installed a few 24-foot HVLS fans and a few other sizes in the main production area where it would fit. Now, these fans created a steady airflow that reduced the perceived temperature by roughly 10 degrees. It made the space significantly more comfortable for workers. Employees reported feeling more energized and productive, morale improved, and management saw an immediate uptick in efficiency. The warehouse successfully addressed its heat stress challenges and created a better work environment. Today, the warehouse operates smoothly with happier employees and increased productivity, proving the power of a well-designed airflow solution. DM me Mold for my free training on how to clean up your facility.